Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'll be rebuilding two of the world's finest ratchets, which just so happen to be made by SK. Don't agree? Feel free to post up in the comments with your favorite ratchet, and maybe I'll give it a try. These have served me well over the decades, but are in need of a little work, so let's jump right into this. The smaller ratchet just has a broken retaining clip, but the larger one is clearly in need of some internal fixing. Hopefully I can combine parts where needed because I'm pretty sure I ordered up 2 kits, but only one arrived in the mail. The rebuild kit we will be using today is SK part number 40970-9, and it should be the kit needed for all of this style ratchet in 1/4 inch drive. Or this small fun if you're into the whole German thing. My German friend wanted me to make sure you know I'm using the Knipex 26-200 pliers for this job. They did work phenomenally to get the ring pulled up above the head of the ratchet. There's an apparent lack of anything resembling grease on this thing anymore. It became quickly apparent that a disassembly and cleaning would be all that's required to get this one up and running again. Frankly, the pawls on this one looked better than the ones which came in the kit, so that was nice. Here's the selector lever. It will pull out with enough force required that the detent will go zinging across the shop, never to be found again if you're not incredibly careful. Trust me on that one. The selector lever keeps the pin in place that the powel pivots back and forth on. It's important to clean out all the junk, gunk, and dried grease from the assembly to make sure it will all work properly when it's put back together. Reinstalling the detent in this little thing was a real pain. Using a magnet, I was able to get the detent held in place and then used the Knipex pliers to push it into the selector body. From there, I slid it into the housing and everything was right as rain again. It will take some patience though, guys, so just be careful not to lose the second detent of the day. After verifying the ratchets functioned again, it was nice to see that they had held up just fine over 20 years and really only needed some cleaning and lube with the exception of the broken retaining ring. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to post up in the comments, and until next time, stay tuned.